Welcome to an exciting expedition through the evolution of technology and time, where adaptability reigns supreme. Today, we embark on an exhilarating exploration of Industry 4, the fourth industrial revolution, sweeping across the globe, revolutionizing everything from work to play. But what really is Industry 4, and how did we get here? Well, it all started with the first industrial revolution in the late 18th century, which saw the dawn of mechanization in manufacturing. With the invention of steam power, factories emerged and the textile industry was transformed. The shift from handmade goods to machine-made products ushered in a new era of productivity and economic growth. The second industrial revolution brought electricity and mass production to the manufacturing sector, with assembly line production and new materials such as steel driving manufacturing to new heights. The advent of automobile transformed transportation and opened up new business opportunities. The third industrial revolution, also known as digital revolution, began in the mid-20th century and continues till today. Electronics, computers, and information technology paved the way for the automation of manufacturing processes, with the internet and digital technologies changing how businesses operate and communicate, leading to the modern era of globalization. And now we find ourselves in the present, the fourth industrial revolution, the Industry 4. With the integration of artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and robotics, Industry 4 is creating intelligent factories that are highly efficient, flexible, and customizable. Real-time data analytics and decision-making are helping businesses optimize their operations and increase profitability. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the evolution of Industry 4, from the first automated loom to the cutting-edge smart factories of today. We'll explore an array of technologies driving the fourth industrial revolution. Get ready to be amazed, intrigued, and thoroughly entertained as we delve into the exciting world of automation and digital transformation. Are you ready for the journey? Let's go. At the core of Industry 4 lies a stunning array of cutting-edge technologies, including artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, big data analytics, and robotics. But these fancy terms are more than just buzzwords. They represent the components of the fourth industrial revolution. Imagine a factory where machines are no longer mindless automations, but intelligent beings, and it can sense and respond to their environment, where every process is optimized in real time through a constant stream of data, and where humans work alongside robots in seamless harmony. That's the essence of Industry 4, a fully connected and digitized manufacturing environment, transforming how we produce goods. The components of Industry 4 work together holistically to create intelligent factories that are highly efficient, flexible, and customizable. Artificial intelligence algorithms analyze data from sensors and other sources to optimize production processes. At the same time, the Internet of Things enables machines and devices to communicate and collaborate with each other in real time. Robotics and automation take care of repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and complex work. But the impact of Industry 4 goes beyond just improving production processes. By harnessing the power of technology, businesses can create products that are tailored to the individual customer needs, reduce waste and environmental impact, and unlock new revenue streams as well. So this is a huge opportunity. As we speak of the technology, digitization is the key that unlocks the true potential of Industry 4. It's the driving force behind the revolution, transforming manufacturing as we know it. And it's playing a critical role in ensuring that businesses stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. So what major roles is digitization playing in the pace of Industry 4? Let's take a closer look. First, real-time data analytics is becoming increasingly possible thanks to digitization. By collecting data from various sources in real time, businesses can analyze it and optimize their production processes for maximum efficiency. Second, digitization facilitates seamless communication between machines and devices. This means that collaboration is more efficient than ever before, which helps reduce downtime and increase output. Third, thanks to digitization, businesses can now offer more customized and personalized products. By collecting data on their customer preferences and using artificial intelligence to analyze it, businesses can create products tailored to individual needs, leading to greater customer satisfaction. Fourth, digitization is helping to reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing. By using data analytics and automation, businesses can optimize their production processes and reduce energy consumption, leading to lower costs and a more sustainable approach to manufacturing. Finally, digitization is increasing productivity and profitability for businesses. By implementing Industry 4 technologies, businesses can streamline their production processes, reduce costs, and increase output, leading to higher profitability and a competitive edge in the market. So, as you can see, digitization is playing a major role in driving Industry 4 forward. It's helping businesses become more efficient, sustainable, and profitable than ever before. Who knew that a little bit of digital magic could go such a long way? Well, let's be real. Implementing Industry 4 is not a piece of cake. It takes a lot of effort and solid strategy that aligns with your organization's goals and objectives. But fear not. To help you navigate the Industry 4 landscape and emerge as a manufacturing warrior, here are some key strategies to make implementation successful. So let's start with number one, a clear vision is essential. This means identifying goals and objectives such as improving productivity, cutting costs, and enhancing customer experience. Communicating this vision effectively through the organization is important to ensure alignment and understanding. Next, developing a roadmap for adopting critical technologies such as IoT, AI, and robotics is crucial. This comprehensive roadmap should outline timelines, milestones, and specific goals to measure progress. But that's not all. Organizations also need support and buy-in of stakeholders at all levels. This means addressing concern, providing support, and training all employees, fostering a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. Partnering with technology providers can also be a game changer. They can provide the necessary expertise, resources, and guidelines to help identify the best solution and ongoing support and maintenance. Oftentimes, a lot of companies face this challenge of doing it in-house versus partnering with an expert. I feel like there is a time for each one of those strategies. Sometimes you want to plow through, you want to make progress like there is no tomorrow. Then it's best to connect with somebody who already has a good idea of how to implement this. Somebody who's done it dozens or hundreds of times, and that's very important. Finally, in the world of Industry 4, data is king. Embracing data-driven decision-making is not just crucial for optimizing operations and improving performance, but it can also unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. You won't believe there are a lot of companies that have become billions of dollars just because they own the data. They were the intermediaries while transferring that data, uploading it on the cloud, and that's how they had a huge growth in their overall impact that they were creating for their customers. It involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to gain insights that can drive informed decision-making. The evolution of Industry 4 has transformed the manufacturing industry, and it's imperative for businesses to adapt to remain competitive. Digitization is no longer a choice, but a necessity to keep pace with the rapidly changing landscape. Traditional methods of operation are insufficient, and embracing digitization is crucial to unlocking new opportunities for growth and innovation. In the realm of Industry 4, data is the new gold rush. To strike it rich and thrive it in the digital era, businesses must embrace data-driven processes to optimize operations and make informed decisions. If you're ready to take the lead and digitize your manufacturing business, seek guidance from the experts, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates and insights. Until next time, goodbye